Enjoying a roaring fire in your wood-burning appliance is great, but then there's the cleanup and all that extra ash. Now what? Don't throw your ash out just yet. In this video, eFireplaceStore will show you 7 ways to use your remaining wood ash inside and outside your home. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. Any type of wood commonly used in a home fireplace can create usable wood ash. After your fire is out and the ash is cool, put it in a metal container using a special fireplace broom and shovel. Remember, it can take up to 4 full days for your wood ash to completely cool. Using your wood ash. 1. Clean your glass fireplace doors. A wet sponge dipped into cool and dry wood ash will remove residue from your glass fireplace doors. 2. De-skunk your pets. There's nothing worse than having the family pet sprayed by a skunk. Rub wood ash into your pet's coat and the smell will disappear. 3. Keep moths off your clothes. Sprinkle a small amount of wood ash onto your long-term stored clothing and moths won't go near them. Just make sure you wash those clothes before you wear them again. 4. Remove stains from your clothes. Mix 2 parts wood ash with 1 part water to create a quick stain remover. Spread the mixture on a stained article of clothing. Allow it to set for up to 7 minutes and work its magic. Then, wipe away the ash paste with a clean damp cloth to display your stain-free clothing. 5. Eliminate ant infestations and remove garden parasites. If ants are creating a problem outside your home, sprinkle a small amount of wood ash onto their colony. This will force the ants to relocate, causing them no harm. Also, sprinkle an even amount of wood ash throughout your garden, which will keep away bugs like slugs and snails. 6. Remove stains in your driveway. We've all seen those oil stains in the garage or driveway. Sprinkling wood ash onto an oil spill will absorb the oil, giving you an easy cleanup with an outdoor broom and dustpan. 7. Remove humidity from indoor spaces. Depending on where you live, the humidity can be unbearable. By placing an open metal container of wood ash in damp or humid spaces in your home, you can reduce the buildup of moisture in the air. The wood ash soaks up extra moisture to give your home a less humid feel. Be sure to check and rotate your container regularly. The length of time it takes for the wood ash to be effective depends on the size of the space, the amount of wood ash, and the climate of your home. When is wood ash not suitable for indoor or outdoor use? Unfortunately, not all wood ash is created equal. Different types of wood create different types of ash. Some wood types can burn to create unusable ash, so avoid using wood ash from pressure or chemically treated wood, construction debris, or from unknown sources. If you do end up with wood ash that needs to be discarded, add water to the ash and throw it away with your regular trash. It's completely safe to dump the ash in a landfill. And those are just some of the handy ways you can use extra wood ash in your home. There's a link to our full article on wood ash in the description of this video, and there are plenty more wood ash tips available at the eFireplaceStore website. Feel free to contact one of our NFI Certified Specialists with questions. They're just a phone call or email away. And for more on any of your other hearth-related needs, visit us at eFireplaceStore.com, where you can shop and continue to learn from our ever-growing library of articles, videos, and other guides. Thanks for watching.